right, welcome back to the channel, everyone, and we are headed out to a supercar meet right now. This should be pretty interesting. There's one tonight and there's also one tomorrow, but I think people might actually get active at this meet tonight, potentially after everything is over. So if you guys are enjoying the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications to stay up to date, man. I've yet to run a supercar in the Shelby GT350, especially on E85, so I'm curious to see exactly what this car can do. Got a full tank of gas, or damn near a full tank of gas. We're about to pop out to this meet and see exactly what's going down. We're not too far away either. We're like about 20 minutes out. We might get a run in, we might not, but if we don't get a run in tonight, maybe tomorrow, because I know there's gonna be a lot of supercars out tomorrow at this one spot I'm gonna go to that I have not went to in a very, very, very long time. It's still humid tonight too. It's like 82 degrees, which I'm pretty surprised about. I feel like it got warmer when the sun went away, or technically like later in the day, because the sun was kind of gone all day, but it feels like it's just gotten warmer. That's Houston for you. We'll see though. A lot of traffic though, man. I don't know why it's like this, like on a Friday night. Well, actually, I just explained that to myself. It is a Friday night. And the weather is nice. Alright, well, we got like roughly a 20-minute journey, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we get closer to the meet, because there are a lot of cars on this highway. I'm seeing a bunch coming up behind me. So, yeah, I'll catch y'all when we get there. Hopefully it's popping.
One eternity later.
I might actually have to park like somewhere in here, honestly. We'll see. Turn this light on just for a second. Oh God, I don't trust people. When we are car people out here, but I don't know about that. I'm just gonna just park it right behind this Gen 1, no cap. space. I think this is legally the... Hey, y'all, you never know. I'm gonna just park my car right here. Woo. It's a tight squeeze, man. I thought that guy was gonna hit the launch control. Paint match. That's good. Rose gold wheels too. This is actually a really clean build. I like this. This is pretty crazy right here too. Turbo coyote swap. Bagged and boosted. That look good. Drop top. I'd go outside, but it's so dark and they ain't playing TOS, so I really can't get nothing done. But 440i is clean right here. Damn, Supra. Got a RS5 up here. This C7 is pretty cool too. IRAM Pro Charger. D1X. Damn, that's pretty legit.
Absolutely no way that's quiet.
This AMG is clean. I always find it like funny how like the hoods just go like straight up because everything is so long. And you can see the turbos right there. S, other 720S. $670. Ooh, on a V-lock too. RS6. This is clean, bro. These wagons look nice too. I really like these wagons. Got a Benz right here. They must be doing some work because they get the whole car wrapped up so they don't get it dirty or scratch it. That's what's up. This car's clean too. Look at the interior. You know, this car's comfy as hell to cruise in. Yeah, this car got V-locks on all fours, man. Upgraded turbo too. You got the rear seats out this hoe. Really V-locks on all fours, man. Damn. Another car here. Beamers. These BMWs are no joke. Got a lot of bikes in here too. A lot of bikes in here. they turned on the Mustang. Oh, they got stuff back here. Let's go check it out. Oh shit, they got a Viper back here. I didn't even realize they had a Viper back here. So many people. Sequential in it too. Oh my god, I smell the gas. All right, pulled up to a little meet. We're gonna run this GT500. Dude said intake tune, but don't know what that means. Full bolt on. Got a clean 3 valve right here. Probably only gonna run the GT500. And that's probably it. Got a stinger over here. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna run the GT500 and that's probably it. Do like a 60 to 140 is what he said. Cool, why not? We got a Stingray and a full drag pack. I don't know if this car might be boosted, honestly. And we have a 370 on a tire, fully gutted. Holy shit. That car gutted as hell, fully gutted. Watch he's spraying or something like that. That'd be kind of cool. One more?